taste the rainbow. You know I would. It's a double! So nice up here. This is where the grizzlies are. For sure, man. Wow. Ran into a couple CDT hikers, Continental Divide Trail hikers. You know, it's always amazing to me the kinds of people that do this sort of thing. You just really never know who you're talking to. I've been traveling for a long time, and it's just like, just amazing who I bump into out here and what their occupations are. It's just very interesting. It is just a beautiful day. You can see back there something's starting to form, so I'm trying to get out of here. This is kind of a strange section of trail or route. Coming through the Wind River Range, like on down to Pinedale. There's just really not much out here. It's just a lot of riding. No real resupply points or any kind of intersections like that. So I really loaded up on water, and I got as much food as I could at that lodge this morning, which was like a real bum resupply point. Really have like just junk food down to Pinedale, which is like another 60 miles from me today, which isn't a problem. You know, I got 30 some in already. It's 1 o'clock, and I think I can trickle down the hill another 66 miles or so. The Wind River Range, man, I tell you, there's just something about this wet sage. It was pouring down rain yesterday, and even last night, everything was just wet. Yeah, this sagebrush is just really something. I mean, the smell. I feel like today is going to be the last day of grizzly bear territory, which is kind of a bummer, you know. Making my way down this route. I wish I could start over, do all of it again. It's really, really cool. I'm going to roll down to Pinedale today. It looks like it's at the base of the Wind River Range. It's 85 miles to Atlantic City, but I mean, I think coming out of Pinedale is really going to be starting the Great Basin area. And definitely Pinedale to Atlantic City, the geography is going to drastically change. I'm going to try to make it from, or everybody tries to make it from Atlantic City to Rawlins in one day. It's like 133.6 miles in one day. There's literally nothing out there, no stores, no stops, nothing to stop and see. There's a couple intermittent springs. Yeah, it's going to be full water coming out of Atlantic City. And like I said, I'm going to be trying to go for that 133 miles. And I'd like to get as many miles in before the afternoon as I could. That way, if I have to take some time off under a bridge or something, if I could find one, I still have time in the evening to make it into Rawlins and complete that 133 miles. Looking forward to that. Just got to gear up for that and like get food ready for that. It's going to be a heck of a trip. So, Pinedale and Atlantic City, I'm going to be trying to get my stuff together. Loving it up here. Trying to beat this storm too. I mean, I don't know like what I'm trying to beat. I mean, I literally was planning on doing another 50 miles today. If this storm holds me down, I don't know. Like, there's literally like nowhere to camp from here to there. But, well, I mean, except for just off the side of the road. There's tons of places to camp. No campgrounds, it's just a weird section of the trail, just really out in the middle of nowhere here. Love it. Everything's good. Somebody stopped and asked me if I needed any water. And I said no. I mean, I'm all watered up, but it kind of freaks me out, like what's up ahead. Whoa. Woo-wee, baby. Yeah. Get it. Get it. Whoa. I guess I only saw 4 grizzlies on this trip. That's not bad. Oh, man. Might be time to take a break. Let's see here, 3 o'clock, 3:11, 45 miles in for the day. A lot of climbing today, 3,800 feet so far. Oh, just steep, man. There was like an 11% grade at one point. It's like a big dog. Storm might be closing in on me. I gotta get somewhere. That sucks. Damn, lost that sunscreen. Holy smoke, that's the Wind River, guys. Sorry, little buddy. Ah, we're good. It's not like I use you, but can't let my stuff go. So we're getting there, guys. This is a pretty fierce downhill. It might be 14.5 miles down. Like I said, I got that 21 miles on the road. I should speed things up, but get this secure. Back on the road, man. Oh, oh yeah. This is awesome. Oh, ah. Oh yeah, man. What? Wow. Oh man, I gotta get back up here and do some hiking. That might be Gannett Peak, highest point in Wyoming. Like 12, 13,000 feet. It's above the tree line. That is just really something. But I really think this is like the last stretch along the Wind River off to my left here. I really think this is like the last stretch of big mountains till probably northern Colorado. Steamboat around that way. But just incredible up here in Wyoming. Starting to open up a bit, I feel. But still got quite a ways to Pinedale, still like 40 miles or so. Well, I think I got a flat. I'm going flat anyway. I hate low PSI. I've been bouncing all day. I kind of had like low PSI all day. It's just been a bouncy ride, but I don't know, and this back stretch just started getting real bouncy, a little squirrely, and I think the dart I had in there blew out. I don't like those things either, but when I was in Helena, I went ahead and bought some of those bacon strips. Okay guys, yeah, I think that dart blew out, or like part of it got ripped off or something, probably when I was coming down through that gnarly downhill. That ended up being like a 25-mile downhill. It was pretty badass. So I'm out on that stretch of road I was talking about. It's like 21 miles. It's like 21 miles down to Cora, Wyoming, and then I don't know, I think I could like pick up a bike path. It's like another 10 miles to Pinedale, but I'm at like 75 miles or something like that for the day. It's raining, and of course I started getting a little bouncy on that back tire. But yeah, let me just show you what I got going on here. But that's a bacon strip. Put a bacon strip in there, just like you would use for a car. I couldn't get the rest of the dart out. I started pulling on it, and like a lot of air started coming out. So I just jammed the bacon strip right in there. And she's holding. I don't know. I'm gonna get it cycling with some sealant. But I think I like those bacon strips way more than the darts. The darts are kind of expensive too. I mean, I bought one. It comes with like the little tool, but it comes with 2 darts. It was 25 bucks. And then you can get like a pack of 5, maybe 3 or 5 for like another $25. I don't know, man. I think bacon strip's the way to go. Just as easy as fixing a car tire. It's really efficient. But I can tell that this rear tire is starting to get pretty worn down. A bit more than the front. The front definitely has some wear on it, but the back, man, I'm hoping that thing makes it to Mexico. You know what it is? It's like tubeless setup too. Like, what do you just switch that out? Shit's not cheap. Those bike shops, man. Kill me. That tire patch seems to be holding. Late afternoon rainstorms coming through, man. Glad I was over that pass. That's the name of the game here, but I really think today, I think right now, yeah, I'm pretty much out of Grizzly Country. Over there, grizzly bears. I don't see them making their way over here. That seems like good news. But we will see. On down to Pinedale here. Just about to Orca. Just about to Orahan, Wyoming. Anyway, long day, moving right through it here though. Climbed 4,500 feet so far. Getting it, guys. Day 16, loving every minute of it. It's a rainbow. That rainbow ends in that cow. Oh man. Hell yeah. Wyoming. I don't know if you guys see that rainbow or not. Outrageous. Outrageousness. Oh, and there's the other one. Hell yeah. I don't know. I hope you can see it. It's right there. I only saw one other cyclist other than Tom this morning. I haven't seen him all day. Well, actually, I'm like 30 miles past where he was going to stop for the day, so I might never see him again. But I only saw one northbounder, and he wasn't talking today, man. He wanted nothing to do with it. He was like, almost there. Oh, look at that rainbow. Wow. Oh, it's a double rainbow. Yeah, there. Skittles. Right there, that's where Skittles are made. That's something else, right? Wow. That is so brilliant. Woo! You see that? It's Dee's Ranch. You don't believe me? That's Dee's. Rolling into Pinedale, population 2005, elevation 7,175 feet. There it is. We got a bike shop here. There's a couple hotels, man. Baymont right there. It's super tempting, but there is free camping here for bicycle riders. So I'm gonna try to score some food, and then see where I'm gonna be staying at tonight. But there's a hotel right there, man. It's super tempting. Super tempting. Swing it in and forget it. Probably not cheap. But anyway, beautiful night. It was a great night of riding. Like I said, I love riding at that time of day. 93.9 miles for the day. 94. 9.5 hours of riding. That's not bad. Oh, it looks like another cheapy hotel. Oh man, I might be in tonight. Anyway, check back with you guys after I get some food, figure this out. This is the Great Basin. Yeah, I'm starting to see the heat coming off the ground here. I mean, I got like sunscreen on, but I'm having some freaking sun issues, man. Sun is one bad mother. Oh, one of those dudes caught up with me. I forget his name. It might be Rick. He caught up to me and just passed me. But I'm gonna have a sandwich, man, because I'm tired of, I keep buying sandwiches and they just like rot in my backpack. By the time I get to it, it looks like completely disgusting. So I'm just gonna like stop and eat my sandwich. This is so nice. I think that actually might be Gannett Peak. Could be wrong with my weird little hat.